Yo guys, how's it going? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another video. Today we have another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the Logitech keyboard. This is the, let's see here, K480. Now this is a, like it says right there, multi-device. So basically what you can do is you can use this for your smartphone, your tablet, or anything like that, or you can pair it to a computer, whatever your heart desires. Actually, if it desires one of these, then you're good. So it actually gets Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS. So before we get into the unboxing, cue the intro.
Ozzy's tech and stuff, yeah.
Alright, and now that the intro is out of the way, thank you guys for watching. If you can help me out with a subscribe and a like, that will help me out a million times, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and here we got the Logitech multi-device K480. We gotta start naming these a little bit better, but this is a $50 Amazon keyboard. I'll go ahead and throw the link in the description. I ended up getting this for about $20. They had a sale going on. I kind of wanted a more sturdy keyboard. Like if you guys have seen my unboxing videos, you know that I ended up picking this one up for my tablet, but it's a little flimsy, and the keypads are a little bit too crunched together. So I feel like I'm kind of like this when I'm typing. So I kind of want a little bit bigger keyboard, a little bit more heavy duty, and this one had really good reviews, so I ended up picking it up. And I think I just dropped something behind me, but oh well. Alright, ended up picking it up, and let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So right here it says switch typing between your computer, phone, and tablet. Alright, Logitech, you already know that it is for Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS. Here we go. Here's a look on the side. It looks pretty good so far. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And right away, nothing else in the box, guys. We have this instruction manual. So let's go ahead and toss that to the side. Here we have the keyboard, and man, right away I'm noticing that it is a lot heavier and bigger. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. It's a lot heavier and bigger. This is just to compare here the other keyboard that I have. Take a look at that. Look at the size comparison. This thing is a lot bigger and a lot thicker, right? That's what she said. So let's go ahead and toss that other one to the side here. Now what this has over the other one is the 3 modes. So you can basically pair it to your phone, your computer, and your tablet, and then whenever you set it on that mode, it'll switch to that. Also, it has a holder for your phone, your tablet, or anything that can fit on there. So let's go ahead and test it out really quick here with my iPhone, and it fits perfect. No issues, good angle too. So I'll go ahead and pair it with my iPad in a second here, just so you can see. But it is a lot sturdier. Let's go to take a look at the back here. All right, so to get it go, you got to it says remove this thing. All right, let's remove that, and there is the button to pair. We'll go ahead and pair it in a second. And it takes, might be 2 AA batteries. Let's go ahead and put that back. All right, so really quick here to get started. That's why I kind of said I don't need the manual, because it kind of tells you what to do here. It says there, pull the tab, set it on mode 1, which is already on mode 1. What does it say? It's for Windows, Android, and Chrome, you gotta set it to PC. And for Mac OS and iOS, you gotta set it to the I, which is over here. It's compatible with all these devices and their support website. Let's go ahead and remove this sticker. for those of you who like the sound. There you go. I think that's a little bit overrated, but that's just me. Alright, so let me go ahead and pair it to my iPad and then let's give it a typing test. Be right back. Alright guys, and I went ahead and paired it. It was actually really simple. You just turn it on from the back and then you hold down the I button for iOS for 3 seconds. The light starts blinking. It comes up as keyboard K480 and you press the button and it's paired. That's it. So that's simple. Let's go ahead and try a typing test here, and this is kind of difficult to do with the camera in the way, but so as you can hear, they got a nice little click to them. It's a lot separated. It's actually very reminiscent of a full keyboard. This might actually be a full keyboard, but you got all the functions on the top. You don't have the numbers, so you'll have to, you know, use these here, but whatever. Got arrow keys down here. It's not bad. Let's try another. This is another test to test the testing of the typing. Ooh, almost had that one. There you go. There we go. Please like and sub! Exclamation, exclamation, exclamation point. Alright, so that is the typing. I don't see a backlit keyboard, which is a very bad thing. The other one that I have does have a backlit keyboard, but I mainly type at work when I'm writing notes for work, or you know, when I'm writing a script for one of these videos or something like that. So I don't really use the backlit keyboard. I haven't even used it once. But if you're someone that types in the dark and you need a backlit keyboard, this is probably not for you. Now, for $20, this is normally again, this is normally $50 here in the US. For $20 on Amazon, this is an absolute steal for 20 bucks. If you remotely type anything on any device, you need a portable keyboard, this is actual good a good solution. The battery, I don't know, but I think I saw somewhere that it said around maybe, I'm not sure if it said 6 months or something like that on battery. So I'll need to double check. I'll write it right here on the screen as I research this this keyboard, and I'll let you guys know. So again guys, help me out with a like and a subscription to my channel, as it'll help me out. Thank you all for the comments and support that you guys provide to me on my channel, and keep beasting it up. On to the next one. Peace.